Hi, I'm Joe from Equip For You. This is the Karcher K2050 cold water electrical pressure washer. This is a small but very powerful compact unit. It's great for cleaning driveways, patios, cars and houses. It comes standard with two nozzles. The first nozzle is the dirt blaster. This gives you 50% more cleaning power. The second is the all-purpose spray wand. This gives you the standard fan jet. The machine also comes with a 16-foot high pressure hose, as well as a Karcher hand trigger gun, which also has a child safety lock on it. Also, which comes with the machine, is a garden hose connector. What this will do is allow you to change your standard garden hose to a quick connect. So it's very simply, will just snap on to the machine. The machine also has a suction tube. This is great for being able to put through Karcher detergents. So the Karcher detergents will make your cleaning jobs much easier. I'm now going to show you the two nozzles working. Okay, so I've attached the water supply with the snap-on connection. I've screwed on the high pressure hose to the front of the machine. And what I'm going to show you is how to run the detergent through the machine. So you can pull this suction tube from the back of the machine. You then put this inside. I have here a bag of wash and wax. You just put this inside, and then without using a lance, you'll pull the trigger, let it run for a few seconds, and you'll start seeing a foamy lather come through, and then you can start applying it to the vehicle. Okay, so now we have the wash and wax on the vehicle, we can attach our all-purpose spray wand. And then starting from the top to the bottom, we can then now pressure wash it off. Okay, so now I'm going to attach the dirt blaster. This is really good for cleaning concrete, driveways, your house, some really tough stains. So now I'll give it a go on this driveway. This unit has been specially designed for Barbados. It's 110 volt 50 cycle. It comes with a 1-year warranty on manufacturer's defaults, and you can get this machine for $400 Barbados including VAT. You can either go check it out online at equipforyou.com, or you can come to either of our locations. Thanks for watching.